Supporters speaking out in court as a judge gets ready to sentence a UC Irvine professor convicted of setting fires at his son's school after the boy committed suicide. Eyewitness News reporter Carlos Granda is live at the courthouse in Santa Ana with more on today's testimony. Carlos.
Well, Mark, the judge said there's so much material in this case that he simply could not review all of it in time for today's hearing, and he was forced to postpone the sentence. But he did allow several people to issue statements. These are people that came from out of the country and simply could not return for a future hearing date. Rainer Reinscheid was in tears as he listened to close friends and relatives asking the judge for leniency. The judge did not allow us to show their faces.
I made a special trip here today from Germany with my son to ask this court to show mercy on my friend Dr. Reinscheid.
After Reinscheid's son committed suicide, he admitted to setting fires at the school his son attended, and authorities say he planned to attack students and administrators. Police found emails like this one. I'm thinking about getting a dozen machine guns, then going to the school and shooting down that blank vice principal, then the principal and the stupid counselor lady. Then I will shoot at least 200 students before killing myself.
I know how much Rainer loved his son. Surely the suicide of class was a horrific situation for Rainer and caused him undue duress and emotional distress.
But prosecutors saw these emails as viable threats that should be taken seriously. Reinscheid was a pharmaceutical sciences professor at UC Irvine, and today we heard from one of his former students.
In my mind, he was such a caring, warm-hearted, perceiving, and encouraging person, full of positive energy.
We also heard from Reinscheid's brother.
I'm asking Your Honor for leniency. Given the chance, Rainer will continue to be a valuable member of our society.
It's important for the judge to know, and he realizes the kind of person he was and the tragic event that happened in his life that triggered this aberration of activity for this shorter period of time.
Now, Reinscheid did plead guilty to 6 counts of arson and 3 counts of attempted arson. He faces anywhere between 3 and 18 years in prison. His sentencing is now scheduled for August 20th. Reporting live from Santa Ana, I'm Carlos Granda, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
All right.